If you want to start making money online without spending any money, becoming a virtual assistant might be the easiest way to do it. Hello everyone, this is Mar and welcome back to Startup Wise. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 different side hustles that you can start this weekend if you want to start making money online. The best thing is that you don't need a fancy degree, you don't need to buy expensive equipment or softwares. The only thing you need is a Wi-Fi connection and your laptop to get started. And of course, you need to watch this video so you can learn about 5 different side hustles that businesses are willing to pay money right now, that are high in demand and that are going to allow you to start your career as a virtual assistant. All of the side hustles that we're going to be talking about have the potential of becoming a great source of income for you in case you want to go full time. But this is also something that you can do in your free time if you're looking for ways to earn extra money. I have chosen these based on how quickly you can get started and also the current demand in the market. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. One of the easiest side hustles that you can start right now is social media management. A lot of businesses, influencers, content creators are currently looking for someone that is able to help them run their TikTok, their Instagram, their LinkedIn, and they're looking for professionals just like you who are willing to learn the skill set necessary to get started. Your role as a social media manager could include scheduling posts, creating captions, replying to comments and messages, and so many other things that are necessary for businesses to run their social media platforms. If you already spend a lot of time in social media, watching videos, scrolling on TikTok, well, you can now start making money from it and actually connect with entrepreneurs, business owners, or anyone who needs help running their social media platforms. The best part is that you can begin with free tools like Canva. For example, if you need to create a graphic post, Canva is a perfect platform to do it. You can create amazing social media posts with just a few clicks. There are so many different platforms for scheduling, but one of them is Later. You can use it to schedule the post for your clients, or you can even use Meta, which allows you to schedule posts for Facebook and Instagram. And your excuse nowadays cannot be ideas, because we have so many AI tools that we can use today if you need help brainstorming ideas for content, for videos, for captions, and for anything pretty much that you need for social media management. Something that you can start doing is reaching out to small business owners or content creators whose accounts look inactive or inconsistent. You can offer a free week of management to prove your value first, then you can charge a monthly fee when the results start coming in. Beginner social media managers often start at $300 to $500, but over time and once you gain more experience, you can charge up to $1,000 per client. And of course, the more organized and proactive you are, the more clients you can start managing at once, meaning you can make even more money a month. Another in-demand service that you can start offering right now is email management. Just think about how many business owners have inboxes full of emails that, of course, they're busy, so they don't even have the time to reply to. All of these unread messages are missed opportunities for businesses, and they could also mean angry clients that have unanswered problems. And that's exactly where you can come in with your expertise in email management. And your job is going to bring order to that chaos. You can sort emails, start flagging important ones. You can respond to common questions, and your goal is to keep the inbox clear for that entrepreneur. This might sound simple to you, but to a busy entrepreneur, having someone that can handle their email is a huge relief. And the best thing is that you can start with free tools. Gmail has amazing tools like labels and flags that you can use, but over time, you can start investing in different apps like Spark and Mailbird that can help you organize the messages more efficiently. If you want to land your first client, my recommendation would be to start creating a profile in different platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork and start reaching out to those small business owners that might need help with their inboxes. Another thing you can do through social media to land your first job is to reach out to consultants or coaches who post frequently on social media but may be slow to reply to messages. You can offer a flat monthly fee, anywhere from $200 to $600 depending on volume and of course how complex the messages are. This is a very easy side hustle, and if you know how to manage your own inbox, trust me, you're able to help many business owners out there. Next up, we have content repurposing. This is a side hustle that is going to be perfect for anyone who is very organized and that enjoys editing and creating videos. All of the videos that you see nowadays on TikTok from business owners and content creators take a lot of time to make. You don't even understand how much money every single influencer and content creator has to spend every single month to film just one video. But that's exactly where a content repurposing comes in, because now you can convert one video into multiple videos that you can later distribute in multiple platforms. As a virtual assistant for content repurposing, you can take a YouTube video and turn it into a short TikTok clip, into an Instagram reel, or you can even make it a blog post or an email newsletter. This is going to be amazing for your client because you can take one video that maybe would last you a week and you can use it for a whole month if you know how to repurpose it correctly. If you already love to create content and you post TikTok videos, well, it's your time to start charging for that. And it's better if you know how to use different editing tools like CapCut, because now you have the expertise, and now the only thing that you have to do is to find a content creator that might need your help. You can begin by offering to repurpose a single piece of content for free. That way you can showcase your skills, and once they see how it multiplies their reach, you can offer packages such as $300 for 4 repurposed videos per month or $500 for full multi-platform repurposing. The best thing about this is that you don't need to film anything. Your face doesn't even have to be on the videos if that's something that you don't like. The only thing that you need to have is the skill set to turn one video into multiple content pieces. Next up, we have customer support. We all know how frustrating it is to order something online and to have a million problems with the delivery or with the payment method. You don't even understand how many problems entrepreneurs and businesses have because of their poor customer service. So if you know how to treat people right and you're a calm person, this is going to be the perfect job for you, because you can start offering your customer support services to different businesses and you can start making a lot of money from it. There's absolutely nothing more important for a business than to keep their clients happy. And if you are able to reply to emails with clients' inquiries or messages or even phone calls, that's a lot of weight that you're going to be taking off some entrepreneur's shoulder. This side hustle is especially great if you're detail orientated and you like solving problems. Over time, you can combine all your skills and offer services like lead generation or competition tracking to increase your earnings and, of course, keep your clients more happy. No one likes to deal with an angry customer, and that's exactly why businesses are willing to pay good money for this job, because it can be a demanding one, but at the end of the day, every single business needs to have a customer service team. Okay, we're coming to the end, and the last side hustle that we have is podcast support. Podcast support is a great opportunity because a lot of creators are launching their shows, but they don't actually have the time or the systems to manage them. Your task can include scheduling guest interviews, writing out episode descriptions, uploading audio files to hosting platforms, and promoting episodes on social media. You don't need advanced tech skills to get started. All you need is free tools like Audacity that can handle basic audio editing, and maybe Canva to create a simple cover art for the promotional graphics. I'm sure that if you head to Upwork or Fiverr, you're going to find multiple opportunities as a virtual assistant that specializes in podcast support. If you already love to listen to podcasts and you have a great understanding of how a successful podcast episode looks, this might be the perfect job opportunity for you. Getting started is often the most difficult part about becoming a virtual assistant, but you don't need to have all the answers right now. You only need to have the willingness to get started and a lot of time to investigate and do your part in your research. You can begin by making a simple portfolio website. We actually have a video on how to create one in Canva for free. We're gonna leave it down below for you guys so you guys can watch it and create your own portfolio so you can start landing your first client. You can also post on your social media accounts explaining what you do and who you're trying to help. But don't forget to find opportunities on free job boards like Upwork, Fiverr, or even Facebook group for entrepreneurs. One great tip that I'm going to give you when applying to these jobs is not to summarize your expertise. You want to try to sell your experience and what you can do for that entrepreneur. And once you have 2 to 3 happy clients, trust me, referrals are going to start to snowball and you can rise your rates as demand for your services grow. I hope this video helped you, and remember that every single virtual assistant started with one job, so don't overthink it. Remember that every single virtual assistant starts with their first client, so simply pick a service and get started today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We post videos all the time for you so you can grow on your entrepreneurial journey and start making more money online. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.